Humanity has always sought to dominate time. We have measured standards, created instruments, established rules. From this moment on, we started a race against time, moving forward much quicker and faster. And the more speed we had, the more control we needed. TORQ ByGreen presents its line of replacement parts made to dominate speed. Automotive brake discs and drums, created with high technology and amazing performance. They have reliability, quality, cutting-edge technology, and sustainability. Reliability is ensured in the complete mastery of the strict requirements demanded in the production of automotive parts, attested by the experience of those who already supply the Tier 1 OEM market. Quality is forged in the most modern foundry in the country, fully inserted in Industry 4.0's digital controls throughout the process, resulting in high-standard castings. Technology shapes our entire product in state-of-the-art digital designs for each part in control labs that attest to the most rigorous specifications and in the best computerized equipment for machining castings, resulting in greater durability and safety. Sustainability is in everything. TORQ attests and certifies its entire production chain, achieving a positive balance of carbon sequestration, capturing CO2 from the atmosphere at much higher levels than the market, aligning our product with the green economy. We are paving our way to an environmentally friendly and sustainable future. Thus, we control our time. Contact us and get to know our line. TORQ ByGreen, Auto Parts Technology.